Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was made available on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.05. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.11% since we first identified QQQ as a buy candidate 16 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.69% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 6.03% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 27.28% to negative 6.03%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 14.97% and positive 10.86% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $441.55 and $575.68. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up approximately 0.116% on Thursday. The QQQ ETF price gained approximately 0.116% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, rising from $518.66 to $519.26. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.31%, with a day low at $515.17 and a day high of $521.93. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indication, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 49 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80. While the lowest price was $402.39. Currently, the price is 3.98%, or $21.54, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Invesco QQQ Trust indicate a potentially robust period for this major exchange-traded fund. Insights reveal that the resurgent artificial intelligence trade is showing durability, which has been crucial for large and mega-cap growth stocks often found within the QQQ. After a challenging first quarter, the momentum built by these stocks has helped lift overall market sentiment. Moreover, the Magnificent 7 stocks are regaining traction, with the Nasdaq 100 index recording a notable 14.07% gain over the past month. This positive trend in technology stocks, particularly captured by the QQQ, might promise short-term benefits as investor confidence in growth stocks solidifies. The broad exposure to large-cap growth makes QQQ an attractive hold for those aiming to capitalize on market recovery. However, challenges remain, as recent comparisons highlight that real estate investment trusts are outperforming tech stocks in 2025. This shift signals potential volatility, which could affect QQQ's performance in the longer term if trends favor sectors outside of technology. Nonetheless, the current rally characterized by a broad-based market uptick, with technology leading, suggests that QQQ could see favorable short-term gains, provided that momentum and investor enthusiasm persist in the wake of shifting market dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 24th of April 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned QQQ a buy grade, while recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of March 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned QQQ an overweight grade, with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, the 26th of February 2025, Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative grade, while also suggesting a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $503.60 and $468.74. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has increased by 24.8%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was noted 27 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal appeared 2 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $466 and $423.69. There's a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $466. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $423.69 and $422.67. This exchange-traded fund has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $6.76 between high and low, or 1.31%. For the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 1.22%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future, or it may suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 519.87. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 466. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $502.33, representing a decline of 3.26%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. The relative strength index for a 14-day period stands at 87, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the ETF being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by approximately 473 cents, starting at $518.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.